Wait, what is happening? Happy Monday. So today I'm actually cleaning and organizing. I'm in the process of switching over my room right now, and I don't want to show you everything right now. Here's a little sneak peek of the closet, and my bedroom is over this way. But I think I'm gonna do like a whole room tour, big reveal, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just moving things around, so I will see you tomorrow. Just putting on some makeup. Oh, where did that lip liner go? Oh, there it is. For some reason, doing my makeup is so fun. I can sit here for an hour, but then doing my hair, I don't want to do it. I don't want to deal with it at all. So then, most of the time, I've got like full glam on and my hair is a hot mess. Ooh, girl, I need some lip balm. My lips are dry. A little Bite Agave lip mask. This one's a new lavender one. It actually smells really good. Not Spawn, but just wanted to share that with you. Ooh, my lips look extremely overlined because they are, but like not in a good way. Well, that's today's truth. Oh my god, they're not even K. Oh, this looks really bad actually. So I'm actually on my way to go buy a new bike. My bike got stolen it was actually like this time last year, and it was really upsetting. It was a brand new bike too, but whatever, maybe that person needed it more than I needed it. So today I've decided, can't live without a bike anymore. I need to go get a new one. I think this one is the one. She's truly glowing in this sunlight right now. What a bike. My skin is quite fresh. I've had to wash my skin and exfoliate it like 6 times, which is not normal practice for me. Hi, voiceover Jaclyn here. I realized that I did a really poor job at explaining what was even going on. Basically, I was shooting a skincare campaign with Lush, which was so cool, and here is the behind the scenes footage from that shoot. Okay, back to the video. But feeling hydrated now. I've got lots of moisturizer on. The first thing that we're gonna do is exfoliate and help buff away any dead skin cells. That way our skin can really reap all the benefits of all the products and the steps that we're going to do afterwards.
I would just say pick it up from Anna. Now, the reason I love Lush skincare.
Now, the reason that I love Lush skincare is because they're made of fine essential oils. This is our beautiful view from the hotel room. Even though it's a little cloudy and rainy, it's still quite cool because the CN Tower is right there. And then, oh, our lovely producer just laying in the giant bathtub. We've made a big mess. I've washed my face about like... Did you just tape that up there?
I did.
I was gonna say, has that been there the whole time and I didn't notice my script was up there? Okay, this is all the lines that I had to memorize, which I did a very poor job at, to be honest. But we're making it. We're gonna do the voiceover now. We're almost on the shoot. We've got a little mic going on, very secretive little mic, you can't even see it. I actually have this mic pack like shoved down the side of my pants, which is very comfortable. Okay, it's out, we're good. Oh my goodness. What the heck? So I guess I'm going to the Raptors game on Friday. What? This is insane. There's a ton of Buxom goodies. Is there still something else in here? Oh my, no way. This is the coolest thing ever. What the heck? I don't understand. Buxom, thank you doesn't even cover it, but thank you very much. This is insane. So I'm just getting ready to head out. I'm gonna go and grab some dinner. I'm actually gonna meet up with a bunch of my friends that I went to makeup school with, so it'll be so nice to see them. I don't get to see them too often. And ironically enough, I'm wearing no makeup when I go see them. It's okay, we've all seen each other without makeup. We all used to do each other's makeup all the time in school, so we're on that level now. But I thought I'd put a hat on to kind of disguise my half greasy face. Dessert has arrived. There's just something so mesmerizing about watching cotton candy get made. Oh my god, it just keeps going.
That just looks so satisfying.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we are en route to the Raptors game. Are you ready for this?
Go Raptors! I'm so excited.
We're hoping we get to meet Drake.
praying.
Not that we have any reason for this to happen, but we think that he'll be at the game tonight because he's in town.
The stars are aligning though. It's April 6th. You know how he's always repping the 6. We have 6 on our t-shirts. It's Drake night. Like, it's gonna happen.
We're hoping. I don't know.
Probably not.
Yeah, I've actually never seen a basketball game before, so this will be fun. My eye is twitching though. It's been twitching all day, and I'm not sure what's wrong with it. Like, I need to go on WebMD and see if I'm dying or what. It's like just like pulsating. You know, you can just like feel it.
We're gonna meet the Raptors and we're really stressed out.
We're going courtside to go watch them all practice. This is gonna be a lot. We're not allowed to call to the boys though, that's our instruction. No calling to boys. They said if they come over organically, then that's fine. Oh my god, we're going in. We are going in.
The Raptors warm-up. Entering the Raptors warm-up.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my god, this is my moment. So we just talked to Jonas. He literally just sat right beside us and just started talking to us.
This is just the face I've been making all night.
I know, that's the mood. What? I just don't understand life sometimes.
It's my Instagram. I'm carrying like 4 days. I'm like, I don't do anything. Little, right?
They're like triple your size. Next level. We're literally in a box. What is this? This is unreal. We got some food in case you're hungry, a little peckish. What?
I'm here for this.
We got a good aerial view in case Drake decides to pop a seat anywhere here. Our boy Drake has arrived. Green sweater. This is not a drill. Woo! So I'm heading to the art gallery tonight. I'm so excited to go see the exhibit. It's a Kusama exhibit, and it's gonna be an experience. I actually had some time to do my makeup and hair today. Normally I'm always late and then I'm rushing and I just do the same makeup look, but I actually sat down and enjoyed getting ready. So I did this red kind of cream eye right now. I'm gonna put on a little bit of like lip gloss on it right before I head out. So yeah, I just kind of slicked my hair back, hairsprayed it down real good, and that's the vibe for tonight. I figured I might as well be a real beauty guru and do a full outfit of the day. So the earrings are from Lulu's. Actually, the lighting is very, very poor right now. Is that a bit better? Ooh, now it's so yellow. Maybe that wasn't the move. The earrings here are from Lulu's. This long sleeve kind of bodysuit. Where is this from? Zoffel, I think, Forever 21. It's honestly like a cheaper bodysuit. It's not the best quality, but whatever. And then my pants here, they're just like a medium wash from Levi's. But these were actually redone for Aritzia, so they were like so overpriced. But honestly, I wear them a ton, so I guess it's justified. No, it's not. They were too expensive. Wait, what is happening? We're waiting to go get judged. How do you feel about this? Scared. I don't feel like I'm emotionally stable enough to have a stranger write on a typewriter my rating. How was this art?
I'm gonna say pumpkin head.
Pumpkin head, flat hair. Thank you. It wasn't mean, I was scared it was going to be. Okay, now we're heading to the exhibit. This is crazy.
We should get this.
You're not allowed to take videos inside the actual rooms, but I can take video in here. Will this work on here?
Yeah.
It will. Yoda. Oh, baby. I don't think I'm ready for this.
I want to make a face.
Here's a face. Someone made a face. Why is Toronto the most beautiful city in the world? Answer me that, Amanda.
Riddle me this.
Look what finally came in. These are the new Glossier Lid Stars. They're basically like a cream eyeshadow. And y'all know me, I love cream eyeshadow. I mean, I've already kind of decided that I'm going to fall in love with these, so there's no question. Look at how pretty of a green that is. Now the big claim is that these don't crease on your eyes, so I'm gonna be testing them out tonight. I'm hoping they don't. I just really want them to be perfect. Okay, so I ended up using, what is this called, Lily? Lily and Fawn. I did Fawn first all over my eyelid, and I did Lily more towards the inner corner. Like, who would have thought I would ever wear purple eyeshadow, purple cream eyeshadow? Honestly, it takes a lot for me to get super obsessed about a makeup item. I'm very fortunate that I get to play around with a lot of makeup, and it takes a very certain special something to make me feel this way. And these have done it. What do you guys think? Have you tried any of the Lid Star cream shadows yet? Look at this homemade vegan mac and cheese we made. It's got like, what is it, mushroom bacon? Yo, this looks insane. Okay, I kind of burnt the top a little bit, but oopsies. It's from Lauren Toyota's new cookbook. Okay, this is our second recipe of the night. We're doing a French toast coffee cake. It's in the oven. Amanda helped me. I don't know how it's gonna go. Fingers crossed I don't burn it. That looks pretty moist. Actually, it doesn't really look as good on camera. It doesn't look good on camera, Amanda. It looks gross. If they could just smell it, they would know that Lauren Toyota is above the law. Queer Eye just playing in the background. Yes, coffee cake. We made some coconut whipped cream to go on top with coffee infused. Good food, good mood. There's a high correlation. Anyways, that was delicious. I'm gonna head to bed now. I am exhausted. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this weekly vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, guys.